I really can't say anything else. Like, this product is just bomb.
You move the way you groove it, turn me on. The way you work that thing is like you Rihanna. Don't give me the long talk when you put it on me.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danica here. If this is your first time here, welcome. It's a pleasure having you. Don't be afraid to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Matter of fact, let me just give you a moment to do so right now. See, I give you a little extra time. That was also for you to go ahead and hit that like and leave me a comment, okay? All right, so I know why everybody here, and I ain't gonna stall up our wasting the time, so let me just hop right into this video. So I went and finished styling the rest of my hair, like laying my baby hair, shifting my wig in the right place and stuff. And look, as you can see, the hair is I cry right now, but the hair is beautiful. Look at them curls, honey. Okay, as you guys saw, this was the only product that I put in my hair. I ain't putting no water, I ain't putting no mousse, none of that. This is the only thing I have in my head, and I could swear down for this thing. I was using this thing from the time I was in secondary school. That's like 10 years ago. And I used to use it on my natural hair, and it used to work just as good as it does on this. Look how shiny and sweet and everything about these curls just sitting. So this right here, this right here, you can't really tell, so I can go ahead and insert a picture, and I will try my best to leave a comment down below. I actually got this from my beauty supply store, but I'm pretty sure it sells on Amazon, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description if I can. So yeah, like I said, this product is amazing, absolutely amazing. I have been using this product for 10 years, and I came today to share the secret with you guys on how I achieve this wet look. And you know how when you have, like, when you would spray it down with mousse or water and conditioner, it would dry out. This product does not dry out. I'm just gonna prove to you guys right now. It is 410. So I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys that the product does not dry out of the hair. Let me just turn to the back so you guys can see. One thing I would say though with this is that it gets really sticky. So if you're the type of person to run your hand through your head a lot during the day, don't because your hands will be very, very sticky. And I would say if you're gonna put this in your weave, you will have to wash it like every few days. But I'm not here to school anybody on how to take care of their hair. Once you try it, you would know how it to work around it and how it should work for you. But I'm just showing you guys what works for me. And this thing, I cannot live without this. I cannot live without this with curly hair. This is the best. The way I'm raving about this, you would think that this is a sponsored video. I'm just here to give you guys knowledge that I acquired over the years, and I really can't say anything else. Like, this product is just bomb. So yeah, all right guys, so I'm just coming back with a quick little update as promised. It is currently 7:33, and look at the hair. Mind you, I had it tied up, so it might look a little bit razzy, but look at those curls, still shiny, still wet, So alright, I feel like I raved enough about this product. I really don't have much else to say about it other than the fact that it is top tier. If you're gonna try it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how it works for you. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I don't know why I'm adding all this extra verbiage, but thank you again for watching me. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next one. Bye, loves.